Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel, and today's video is going to be a olive and burgundy smoky cat's eye that I have created. It's actually a very simple look, and even though it's very simple, it's still very striking. So let's just get started with how I proceed. Firstly, I'll be tightlining my eyes. I find this step very useful with any kind of look because it gives that defined shape to the eyes and makes the eye look popped up even when you have not done anything else other than just lining the eyes. Next, I'm using the NYX eyeshadow base in the shade Beige, and you can use this or skip this, but it's a very helpful product to make your eyeshadows pop, so I'll recommend not skipping the eyeshadow base. I'll be using the Color Board eyeshadow palette from Beauty Glazed, and you can check out the review I have for this palette. As for now, you can just follow the steps that I have done and the shades I have used to create this particular look. So let's just zoom in to get a better look at what I'm doing here, and I'm using a very precise and small eyeshadow brush to pack in the burgundy color in the outer corner of my eyes, and I'm doing the same on the lower lash line as well with the same brush. The key to creating this look is actually being very precise and close to the lash line, and then diffusing the color as much as possible upwards so that you have a sharp defined shape on the outer corner, and at the same time it's not that sharp and stark, so that it gives a very flattering and smoked out finish in the end. I'm using the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara, and sorry that I have lost the footage of me applying the mascara, but you know it's quite self-explanatory. The same problem happened with my lipstick as well. So this is the Big Bang Berry from Sugar Cosmetic. The camera just won't focus. So this is the final look, and I'm quite happy with how it has turned out. If you attempt this look, I love to see your take on this makeup as well. So if you share the pictures and tag me, that would be really nice. And as for now, I'll be seeing you in the next video, and if you enjoy my videos and my channel, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.